In this exhilarating episode, we set tile. Let's build. Here we go. So you have two options with terrible, heavy texture like this. You can remove all of the drywall, install new drywall, prime and paint. Or you can simply skim coat this bad texture. 2 skim coats, quick, sand, and then we spray our texture, a quick way to make your walls look new. Time to get to it and skim coat these walls. Skim vertically. When it dries, you then skim horizontally, a quick sand, and then you spray your new texture before paint. Our valve is plumbed. Now it's time to frame our 12 by 28 inch Schluter niche. Alright guys, let me show you what we did with our niche. Excuse the mess. Got our air circulating in the bathroom. So today is going to be backerboard and waterproof. Hunt Tool Company spacers for our 4 by 12 tiles. Let's show you the niche. So here it is. We have a 12 by 28 inch niche. Now, the typical shelf depth is 3.5 inches. We wanted to increase that to 4.5 inches so that our client has much more room for their Costco style shampoo bottles. We're able to do this because of the existing framing that we have here. We've got a shower back here, shower over here, so our bay is much bigger than usual, allowing us to fabricate this niche for the larger bottles of shampoo and conditioner. We then simply proceed to fill this in with Curdy board. We will run our band around here, install our inside and outside corners, fully waterproofed. We also cut down the pony wall here. We'll tile the inside of here. We have our quartz sill, which will land on top of this pony wall, which is the same height as the niche sill. So everything will be in line. Cool little trick for your Curdy band. Cut a little slot. You have a nice dispenser. It's time to waterproof this surround, this niche, and the tub flange. Here we go. And here we have our compact little setup. Pulled the quarter cable out, sliding tray. Gonna install this old Delta blade. We have our monolith mini, so it's time to cut and install. Have our tiles soaking in the water, which absolutely helps with the better bond. And we've got our Hunt Tool Company spacers. We're gonna give these guys a try. Let's have some fun. 150 grit here. Diamonds feel great. Let's knock down this ceramic.